Hi guys, welcome today. Welcome today, guys. Welcome today. Welcome to our live video today, okay? Welcome to our live video today. Give a like, drop a comment. Today we'll be looking at today we'll be basically looking at how to do some problems, some math tricks, some math shortcuts that are very, very important in dealing with math problem. So do well to give a like, drop a comment as we go through it, as we navigate through it one after the other. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome. It's good to have you guys here. Welcome. Welcome. Today is a wonderful day to deal with some math shortcuts. This is very important for students preparing for exams, students trying to do one or two, or especially it helps especially in an OBJ test, an objective test. It plays a very important role. It helps you to buy time, be more efficient in solving problems. Okay, so that's what we'll look at today. Welcome. Welcome. It's nice having you guys back online. Today we'll be looking at math tricks and shortcuts. We are going to look at a few examples before the day runs out. The first one we'll look at is how to add unit fractions. Addition of unit fractions. Okay? There is a wonderful trick that is used to add unit fractions very fast without taking the traditional route of solving it. Okay, let's say when we talk about unit fractions, we are talking about fractions where their numerator is just 1. Any fraction that has 1 as the numerator is called a unit fraction. So when you encounter this in examination, you are trying to solve, and you notice that the question that is in the exam paper is for you to add these two unit fractions, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5. All you have to do is just to do simple work in the denominator. You have a fraction, add the two denominators. 2 plus 5 is 7, you have 7. Then multiply the 2. 2 times 5 is 10, the answer becomes 10. Okay, so your answer is immediately 7 over 10 without finding the LCM or using butterfly method. This is very efficient as it saves time and it is more convenient, especially in an objective test. If they say show working, please don't use the shortcut. If you use the shortcut, you are going to get a very low mark. Please do well to like, please do well to like, do well to like, do well to share. Like and share, okay? So this is actually how we solve unit fraction. It's very, very efficient. Take another unit fraction you have. You have 1 over 9 plus 1 over 7. These are unit fractions. For you to get the numerator, the number at the top, all you have to do is to add the two numbers. So let's add up. 9 plus 3 is what? 9 plus 7 is what? 9 plus 7 is 16. You have it as 16. Then do 9 times 7 because everything we are doing here is at the numerator. The numerator is adding 9 plus 6, 16. The denominator is multiplying the two numbers. 9 times 63. 9 times 7 is 63. And that's the answer. Please do well to like and share. Like and share. Invite your friends to join. Like and share. So this is how we solve the problem. This is how we solve unit fraction problems, okay? This is a quick trick. The trick is very, very efficient and it can be used to solve problems, okay? Do well to like. Please double tap the screen and like, comment, please. Let's look at the next one. I want you to do this one, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4. Fastest finger, drop the answer in the comments. What is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4? 1 over 2, use the method. Make sure you are using the method. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Make sure you are using our trick. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. The quickest, let's know who. Drop the answer in the comments. Drop the answer in the comments. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Correct. 7 over 12. That's the answer. The reason behind that is that when you add the 2, you have 7. And when you multiply, you have 12. And that's the answer. That's great. Like and share this video, okay? Like and share the like. Let's look at the next one. We have it as 1 over 9 plus 1 over 10. Okay, a quick one, please. All you have to do in this wonderful trick is very simple. All you have to do here is just to do what? Add the numerators. 9, add the two denominators, and that forms the new numerator. 9 plus 6 is what? 9 plus 10 is what? 19. You have 19 over 9 times 10 is what? What's 9 times 10, please? 9 times 10 is what? 9 times 10 is what? 9 times 10 is what? What's 9 times 10? Good. 19 over 90. Correct. You are right. 19 over 90. And that's the answer. Very easy. This trick is very, very efficient. So far, you are solving unit fraction. If it is not unit fraction, please don't use it. If it's not unit fraction, use the traditional method of solving fractions. This is very easy. Okay, let me give another classwork. Let's know who will get this. Please like and share the live, please. Like and share the live. Like and share the live. Try 1 over 3 plus 1 over 7. Remember, it only works for unit fraction. Do this. Let's know the answer. Tap on the screen, like and share, please. Tap on the screen, like and share. What's the answer? Who can tell me the answer? Drop it in the comments. Who can get it? Who can get it? What is the answer? What is the answer? Can you solve it? What's the answer? What's the answer? Make use of the unit fraction trick. Make use of the unit fraction trick. What is the answer? What is the answer? 10 over 21. Correct. 10 over 21. So the answer is basically what? 10 over 21. 10 over 21. The reason behind this is very simple. You add the two denominators. Two denominators forms the numerator. That gives 10. And the denominators you multiply to get 21. That's the answer. Good. So the next thing we look at is the next trick. The next trick on our list. The next trick on our list is multiplication of numbers by 11. This one is very, very cool. I so much like this trick. But before then, like and share the live, okay? So that more people will come on board. So whenever you are multiplying any number by 11, this is very easy. It's just as easy as ABC. Your answer, first thing you just have to do, write the first digit 2, the last digit, give a space, write 5. All you need to do is just to add the 2 digits. 2 plus 5 is 7. The answer is 275. Very easy and efficient. Please always use this method when you are doing an objective test. If it's not an objective test, please don't use it, okay? Okay? If it's not an objective test, please don't use it. Islamic thoughts. What should I repeat? What should I repeat? Let me know in the comments. Please let me know in the comments. If you are not using, if it is not multiplying by 11, please don't use this. Let's look at the next one. 81 times 11. What do you need to do? 8 and 1 is 9, right? Write 8, give a space, write 1. 8 plus 1 is what? You're adding. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. Just put the 9. The answer becomes 891. Please like and share the live, okay? Like and share the live. So that gives you 891. Good. Then the next thing we do is, what if we add the numbers, you notice that the numbers are greater than 9. Let's say you have 87 times 11. Don't panic. Just use the same method. It will definitely work. But all you have to know is that we don't write 2 digits in the middle. We only write 1 and carry the next one to the next place value. That's what is done here. So what do? Write 8, give a space, write 7. Then 8 plus 7 is what? What's 8 plus 7? Let me know in the comments. What is 8 plus 7? 8 plus 7 is what? What is 8 plus 7? What is 8 plus 7? My screen is not clear. My screen and voice. Maybe next time I'll be getting a mic. What is 8 plus 7? My network is even down. What is 8 plus 7? What is 8 plus 7? What is 8 plus 7? It is 15. So instead of writing 15 here, no, write just the 5. Write the 5. Take the 1 to the next place value. Since you have 1 on top here, 1 plus 8 is what? 9. So clean it up, put on 9. So the method is very, very efficient. The method is very, very efficient. The method is very, very efficient. Good. Thank you. The method is very, very efficient. Please like and share the video so that more people come on board. The method is very, very efficient. So you can see that you got it right. Let's look at the next. So I want you guys to try 22. Okay, 24 times 11. Do 24 times 11 for me. Let's know the answer in the comments. Use the same trick. Try 24 times 11. Let's know the answer in the comments. Use the same trick. 24 times 11. 24 times 11. Use the same trick. Like and invite your friends, okay? Use the same trick. Use the same trick. 24 times 11. You write 2, give a space, you write 4. So you add 2 and 4 together. If you add 2 to 4, you are going to get 6. So the answer is what? 264. So that's how we actually use this particular method. Okay. The next one we should look at is how to, let's say we have 89 times 11. What are we going to do? Remember, the rule of the trick is that you write the first digit 8 and give a space. You write the next digit 9. Good. Then the next thing you do is just to add 8 and 9 together. 8 plus 9 is 16. So instead of writing 16 here, no, we don't take it. We only take 1 digit. Then you carry the digit to the next place value here. Okay? If you carry it here, instead of having 8, you have 9. So the answer is 969. Let's look at the next one. Let's say we have 37 times 11. Do you know what to do? Write 3, give a space, write 7. Okay? Please like and share the live. Please like and share the live. All you have to do is just add the 2 numbers. 3 plus 7 is 10. So instead of writing 10 here, no, we write 0 and carry 1 to the next place value. If you carry 1 to the next place value, you have 4 here. So the answer is 407. Okay, please like and share the live video. Like and share the live video. Like and share the live video, please. Like and share the live video. Okay, you can. Okay, you can send the question in my WhatsApp, so I can help you do that. Give a space, right? Okay. Then the next thing is to look at 693. That's the easiest way to get the answer. Please like and share, like and share, like and share. Invite people to connect. Okay, so that becomes the answer. Okay, so this is how we actually use this trick. Okay, let's continue. Let's look at the next one. The next shortcut we are going to look at is how to divide numbers by 11. Okay, let's say we are going to learn how to divide numbers from 1 to 9, where the numerators are 1 to 9 by 11. Okay, so do you know what to do? What you have to do, let's say you have 1 divided by 11. This is very simple. You don't need a calculator to do this. All you have to do is just to multiply the given number by 9. 1 times, all you have to do, multiply write 0 point, then multiply 1 by 9. It gives you what? 0909. So this is 09 recurring. What is 2 divided by 11? 2 divided by 11 is simple. 0 point. If you multiply 2 by 9, 2 times 9 is what? 18. You have it as 1818 and so on. What is 5 divided by 11? All you have to do is 0 point, multiply 5 by 9. What does it give you? 6, 4, 3, 4, 5, 45, 4, 5, 4, 5 recurring. So this is a quick trick to divide any numbers in that range by 5. If you want to divide any number in that range by 5, use this trick. It is very efficient. It's very efficient. Whenever you want to divide any number by 5, make sure you use the trick. Please like and share, okay? Like and share. Thank you. Like and share. Thank you, Patrick. Success tips. Thank you. Like and share. Like and share. Whenever you want to divide any number by 11, numbers between the range of 1 to 9 as the numerator only, all you have to do is very simple. All you have to do is just to multiply the numerator by 9. After, you must have get the 0. So I want you guys to do 6 divided by 11. 6 divided by 11. Drop the answer in the comments. 6 divided by 11. What's it giving? Let's know your answer down in the comments. 6 divided by 11. 6 divided by 11. 6 divided by 11. What is it getting? 6 divided by 11. What do you get? Use the method. Don't use the calculator. Here we are trying to beat the calculator. 6 divided by 11. 6 divided by 11. 6 divided by 11. Let's know the answer down in the comments. Who is there? 6 divided by 11. All you have to do is just to put your what? 0 point. Okay? 0 point. Multiply 6 by 9. 6 times 9 is what? 6 times 9 is 54. You have it as 5, 4, 5, 5, 4. Recurring. And that's how to what? Get the answer. Okay? That's how to get the answer. It's very, very easy. How to use this trick to divide any number by 11. Okay? By 11. So this is another trick. Another trick is to square any number ending by 5. Let's say you are told to have 15 squared and you don't have a calculator. Do you know what to do? This works for any number ending with 5. Okay? So let's say we have 15 squared. You already know that 5 squared is equals to 25. Do you know what you got to do for me? All you have to do for me is that you look at the next number after 1. What's the next number after 1 in your counting number? 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the next number after 1 is 2. So you just have to do 2 is the next number. Multiply 1 by 2. 1 times 2. What's the next number? 1 times 2 is what? 2, right? So write the 2. Then 5 squared is 25. And that's the answer. So you have that 15 squared is what? 225. Let's look at the next one, 55 squared. So that you see how efficient this method is. But please always use this shortcut when you are writing objective test. Please like and share this video so that it gets to more people. Like and share this video so that it gets to more people. Like and share this video so that it gets to more people. Okay, so if you have to do this, it's very simple. All you got to do for me is that you have to know that what's the next number after 5? It is 6, right? So you multiply 5 and 6 together. 5 times 6 is 30. You have it as 30. Then ordinary 5 squared is 25. So you see that 55 squared is what? 3025. Very simple. Okay, then we'll look at the next one. The next one on our list is, let's look at 35 squared. How can you get 35 squared? To get 35 squared is very, very simple. Okay, to get 35 squared is simple. What's the next number after 3 is 4. Then do 3 times 4. What's 3 times 4 for you? 3 times 4 is 12. Write 12. Then 5 squared is what? 25. So that becomes the answer. So the answer is actually 1,225. So I want you guys to do 25 squared. What is 25 squared? Let's know the answer in the comments. What's 25 squared? What is 25 squared? Let's know the answer in the comments. What's 25 squared? What's 25 squared? What's 25 squared? What's 25 squared? 25 squared. Let's know who gets it. What's 25 squared? What is 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 25 squared? Well, thank you, Patrick, for commenting. What's 25 squared? 25 squared using this method is very simple. All you got to do is simple. What's the next number after 2? The next number after 2 is 3. So you multiply out. 2 times 3 is what? 6. You have 6. Then 5 squared is what? 25. So the answer is what? 625. That's very, very easy. This method is very easy and is very efficient. Stay tuned tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, I'll be coming live again. I'll also come live again. If I come live again, I will treat advanced maths like calculus, integration, differentiation. So if you have any problem with that, so stay tuned. I will definitely come live in the morning tomorrow. So today is just shortcuts. Okay. So that's it. So let's move on. So let's look at 75 squared. Oh, big number. Can you guess? If you think you can, drop it in the comments. Please like and share the live. Please like and share the live. Okay, so what do you have to note? All you have to note is that you have 75 squared, right? What's the next number after 7? The next number after 7 is 8. So let's multiply the two. 8 times 7 is what? 8 times 7 is what? 56, right? 56. Then 5 squared is 25. So this is 5,625. Make sure you are using the method, okay? Especially in your objective test. Okay, so let's look at this one. I've done 28. Let's look at 95 squared. If you have 95 squared, what are you getting? What are you getting? 95 squared, the next number after 9 is 10. If you multiply the two, you have 10. Okay, you have it as 90, sorry, 90. Then 5 squared is 25. You have it as 25. So 95 squared is 9,025. 9,025. That's the answer. 9,025. That's the answer. So this is actually how we usually find the squares of numbers. Let's look at some square roots, okay? Okay. Let's look at some numbers. What if you are trying to divide numbers by 5? So how can we divide numbers by 5? Using a shortcut. We have thousands of shortcuts available. How can we divide numbers by 5 using a shortcut? Okay, this shortcut is very, very efficient. Any number can be divided by 5. If you are finding it difficult, it's because you don't know the trick. What is very, very easy. It's very, very easy. If you know it, you just say, is this what I'm failing in school? You know it, you don't need to waste any time. So far, you know how to multiply by 2, you are done. Let's start with the easy one. What is 50 divided by 5? Everybody will shout 10, right? That one is very, very easy. If you want to do 50 divided by 5, remove this 0, cancel it out, multiply 5 by 2, that gives 10. Let's say you have 950 divided by 5. Instead of stressing yourself, this divide carry over, all you have to do is to remove the 0, this 0 is out, divide, multiply by 2, okay? If you multiply by 2, what are you having? 5 times 2 is 10, 9 times 2 is 18, plus 1 is 19, 190, very simple. Okay, let's look at the next one. let's say someone will tell me, can this work when you are having odd numbers throughout? Okay, let's say you have number like 28 divided by 5. It will still work. All you have to do this time, there is no 0 to cancel out, right? So all you have to do is to multiply the whole number by 2. 2 times 8 is 16, right? 6. 2 times 2 is 4, right? Since you have 4 plus the one you carried, 5, 56, yeah? Right? Then shift the decimal once. You have it as 5.6. That's the answer. Very simple. You have 28 divided by 20, not 20 again, 87 divided by 5. All you have to do is to multiply 87 by 2. 2 times 7 is 14, right? So you write 4. 2 times 8 is 16, right? Plus 1 is 17. You write 7. Shift the decimal once. 17.4. Very simple. I want you to try this one. Divide 60 by 5. Divide 60 by 5. Let's know the answer in the comments. Divide 60 by 5. Let's know the answer in the comments. Divide 60 by 5. Use the method. Divide 60 by 5. Use the method. Divide 60 by 5. 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 If you divide 60 by 5, all you have to do is to use the method, cancel the 0, and multiply 6 by 2, giving you 12. Okay? Giving you 12. Giving you 12. So this is how we divide by 5. Okay? So these are the few shortcuts we have. Okay? These shortcuts are very, very efficient. We have lots of it. We have multiplication by 11, how to add, how to do a lot of things. This particular shortcut, we have percentage. Let's say you have 30% of 80. You know, in a basic way we used to do it, we just do 30. 30% means over 100. It's very simple. Over 100. Then the off will change to multiplication of 80. Okay? Then we say we divide by 10, divide again by 10. We are having it to be 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. And that's the answer. That's the traditional way to do that if you are writing your normal papers. But if you want to use this shortcut, 30% of 80. You know what to do. Cancel out the 0, cancel out the 0. Multiply 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is 24. Still the answer. If you doubt the method, let's say you have 60% of 920. Okay, let's use small numbers there. 60% of 60, for instance. Cancel out the 0, cancel out the 0. Multiply 6 by 6. 6 times 6 is 12. The answer is what? 12. Very simple. These methods are very, very efficient. Please like and share the live. Like and share the live, please. Like and share the live. If you have any trick you know, if you think we still have more tricks, let's say you have 23% of let's say of 20, for instance. You say, how can we use this method again? It's very simple. Multiply the 2. Okay? You multiply the 2 numbers. 0, this is basically doubling this, which is 460, right? This will give you 460. 230 times 2. Then, since you actually divided by, multiply the 2, you know percent is requiring you to, it's still requiring a division by 100. So to divide by 100, you shift the decimal 1, 2. So you have it as 4.60, which is also the same as 4.6. And that's the answer. Check it anywhere, the answer is still correct. Okay? Then let's look at the next one. We have 70%. I want you guys to try this. 70% of 200. Use the method. Let's know your answer. 70% of 200. What is 70% of 200? What is 70% of 200? Let's know who will get it. My battery is getting low. What is 70% of 200? Use the method. 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 Use the method. What's 70% of 200? Use the method. What's 70% of 200? Use the method. These particular tricks are very, very efficient as it helps to solve problems. This particular trick is very efficient. Okay, 70% of 200, all you have to do is to cancel two zeros. If you cancel out the zero, you multiply 7 by 2. Okay, 70 times 2 is now what? 140, and that's the answer. Though this method, please, once you are using it, only use it in objective test. But if you are solving or having a theory problem you wish to solve, you have to show all working. And to show all working, it simply means 70 over 100, because 70%, once you have percent, we are talking about ratios of 100. Okay? Then times the quantity in question is 200 over 1. So for convenience, you can simply divide by 10, cancel out 0, cancel out 0 here, cancel out 0 here. You actually divided by 100 because you canceled out two zeros at the same time. If you cancel out once, you divide by 10, twice you divide by 100, 3 times 1,000, 4 times 10,000, and so on. So you have it as 70 times 2. 70 times 2 is still 140. So the method is very, very efficient as it helps us to solve problems. Okay? Do well to like and share, invite your friends, like the live, share the live. Who is telling me 0? 7 times 2 is 14. Then you add 0. That's also a good method to use. That's also a good method. Like the live, share, like the live and share, like the live and share. Okay, this method is very, very efficient. It's very, very efficient. Let's look at the next one again. Let's look at 30% of 90. Okay, to use this method, you just have to cancel out the 0, multiply 9. 9 times 3 is what? 27. And that's the answer. If you want to, if it is in theory test, you just do 30 over 100, because percent also talks about ratio of 100, then times 90 over 1. For convenience, you cancel out the first 0, which is dividing by 10. You cancel out the second 0 at the numerator. Once you do the numerator, you also do the denominator. We can still find 0 here, so we cancel out the zeros at the numerator, which is also dividing by 10. Okay, in that case, the number in the numerator is 3, and the number in the numerator here is 9. So 3 times 9 is 27, and that becomes the answer. Try this one, guys. 20% of 60. Drop the answer in the comments. What's 20% of 60? Use the method. What's 20% of 60? Use the method. Fastest finger. What's the 20% of 60? Use the method. What's the 20% of 60? Use the method. What's the 20% of 60? Use the method. What's 20% of 60? Use the method. So these methods are very, very efficient as it helps us to solve problems easy and fast. So what do you do here? It's very, very easy. You have it as 20 over 100 times 60 over 1. Cancel out 2 zeros, cancel out 2. You have 2 times 6, which is 12. This is called the normal method. But if you want to use the trick, just multiply 2 and 9 and 6. 2 times 6 is what? 12. After you must have cancelled out the 0. Because once you cancel out the 0, it literally means that you actually divided through by 100, since you cancelled out 2 zeros. Okay, we satisfy the terms in the denominator. Okay, so this is how we do problems like this. Okay, this is how we do problems like this. Okay, so these tricks are very, very efficient, and it really helps us in buying time. Let's say you are writing examination, like an external examination, that you have 10 minutes, especially people that are like writing Olympiad exams, sitting for WAEC, sitting for GCSE, trying to memorize all the formulas, carry it off hand, coming is very difficult and trying to use the procedures. It's advisable you use the procedures if you are writing the theory perspective, where it requires to show all working. You have to show the initial the method to the examiner. If not, use a shortcut. These shortcuts will help you very, very more than you can even imagine. Okay, so this is it. So we've learned about dividing and all this. So what if you are trying to have the square root of a number? Let's just leave the square root now. Let's just leave the square root now. So these are the few shortcuts we've actually looked at. Do you have any other shortcuts? Do you have any other important shortcuts we look at? Okay, thank you guys. I've been here up to 40 minutes now. So see you guys next time.